Alright, so 2021 Nissan Pathfinder, if you're changing the chrome out, the easiest way is to take this black triangle off. It's going to break. It's got two clips in the bottom, and then there's glue right here and here, sticky tape here and here. So I just kind of wedged this plastic pry bar in to get the tape to pop, and then grabbed it and you try to pop it, but they don't just pop out, it just breaks off the bottom. So you're going to need these triangles as well as the strip. So, and once you get the strip, let's see, was it this one? I don't remember which one it is. It's not this one, that's the back door. So the strip literally just has a spot that it clips in, all the way down the center. It doesn't clip in, it just kind of sets in. It's got two clips right there and over here. So once you got it all lined up, get those clips in place over that metal tab. Oh, I'm going to lose this whole thing. And then push it down into place. Let me do that with both hands. Yeah, so once you got it all kind of lined up, you don't have it pushed down in there tight, just kind of backing it up a little bit. Then we're going to get this thing shoved down nice and tight where it's clipped into place, like so. And then that black triangle will clip back on with the sticky tape areas. You just got to clean all this off real good. Get all this off out of there, and then yeah, we'll just clip that on and glue it back down, and she should be ready to rock and roll. The back window, it doesn't look like it's underneath that or underneath that, so I'm just going to try to get in there with a plastic screwdriver to kind of get it to where I can pop it without damaging the paint on this thing. All we gotta do is get the one clip to kind of give, and then we can go from there. Let me see what, let's not scratch that thing up. Alright, let me use both hands. So once I got my hand in there, I just kind of bent that up real good like that, and then it's worked itself to a position where it should come right on out now. Nope, no problem. That one's off. We're just replacing it because it's got little dings in it. Little ding right there. Customer did not like it, so he wanted to remove the dings. And again, we're just going to get it all to line up again. Get this to slide in where it goes. And then the tab in the back where it goes. Don't push it all the way down in until you know you got it lined up. See, like I'm a little that way on it, so I'm going to see I'm too far that way on it. So I'm going to get my little pry bar and kind of just work it back down a little bit. Right there. Yeah, that's looking good. Now we're going to jam that thing in nice and tight, just like so. And then it has that plastic strip on there to peel off. I'm going to leave it on for the customer. That one's in, nice and tight, ready to rock and roll. Boom. Yeah, so the only thing we're missing is those triangles. They'll be here in a minute. Anyways, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Peace. Well, I'll put the parts in the description if I can find them online.